December is not just special for festivities and celebrations, but it has also brought relief to the much down and fallen stocks of the market. These stocks, which have been languishing since January to November, have actually made a stellar recovery in the month of December. Varsha is here with the list of all the stocks which actually saw a turnaround. Varsha, you know, the question to you is, which are the stocks which have seen a turnaround? Anything that we should be watching out for? And then we'll go to Lancelot and Kush to understand what's in store for these for 2026.
Well, you know, Hiral, I would say these stocks are beaten out, but not, they've come back, I would say, in December. So, let's see the list of those stocks. Let us start. The top 5 stocks which has given negative return till November, but have come back very strongly when it comes to December. There you go. Himadri Specialties, KEC International, Deepak Nitrite, Swiggy and Natco Pharma. All these companies have given a negative return from Jan to November, but a good comeback, when it comes to December. Well, let's see what are the reasons, key reasons, and what's the outlook. Starting with Himadri Specialty, why companies struggled till November? Because of the carbon black and specialty margins weighed, and volume and realization were worry for investors. But the December triggers, if I were to talk about early signs of margin stability, only the early signs, I would say. This is true for overall chemical industry, and the valuation looks too cheap to ignore this stock. Moving on. Then you have, KEC International. Why this stock struggle? I would say ban fears have crushed this stock, but court relief have given a revival. So the power grid tender ban overhang led to the pressure in the stock till November, but execution issues in overseas project was also one of the key issue in this stock. But Delhi High Court has put power grid ban on hold. That means now company can have those orders back, and the confidence return after management commentary. Then moving on, let's see Deepak Nitrite. So there was a chemical winter, I would say, but company is waiting for spring. What happened till November was there was a chemical cycle downturn. Every chemical company is facing problems when it comes to agrochemicals and specialty chemicals. Weak pricing and demand visibility have hurt the stock price. Earnings downgrade fears have also led to the pressure in the stock price. But as I was saying, in terms of Himadri Specialty also, the cycles have turned out when it comes to Deepak Nitrite, and of course cheap valuation has led to strong buying in the stock. Moving on, Swiggy, rising quick commerce losses and intense competition pressure were the key reasons why the stock struggled, but festive demand tailwinds and 10,000 crore fundraise have eased balance sheet concern, and hence we are seeing move when it comes to December. Last, you have Natco Pharma. No major US launch triggers and pipeline related uncertainty has led to stock struggle, but expectations of complex product launches and selective value buying in pharma has led to surge when it comes to December. So overall, these are the 5 stocks which has given a negative return till November, but good, they're back when it comes to December.
Thank you very much, Varsha, for that, and you're mirroring the Christmas spirit as well. And let's go to Kush. A lot of good stocks Varsha picked out from this very interesting analysis. Kush, Natco Pharma is something, it's always showing strength in the charts and almost being, we could say even if Nifty Pharma Index falls, we see Natco Pharma holds up. A lot of times I've seen that on the screen. Kush, I want to take your views on Natco Pharma first.
A quick word, December seems to be the month of comebacks. Bollywood made a comeback with Dhurandhar. A forgotten name, Ishan Kishan, made a comeback into the T20 squad. And that dude has scored 125 runs in 39 balls in the Vijay Hazare Trophy match that is going on. So not just for markets, I think some of the other beaten down names also. You're right, Natco Pharma, stupendous moves in the last month and a half, 20-day and the 50-day, 200-day moving average golden crossover also coming in. Right now it's consolidating with a very mild negative bias and thin volumes, but I think this trajectory could well continue on the upside. 950, 980 are very much the targets that you could get on Natco Pharma in the coming months' time. 880 is where you keep that stop loss. But the other stock that I like from what Varsha mentioned is Deepak Nitrite. Very healthy volume accumulation, strong price action, and a couple of stiff resistance levels taken out. So if you do want to watch out for some of these names, Natco Pharma is one, and Deepak Nitrite is the another. And from the cricketing space, I think Ishan Kishan is one you want to watch out for.
It's a year of comebacks, and Kush, you also come back tomorrow or maybe on the Friday itself, because that's it for you today. Thank you very much.
Is Santa tomorrow then?
Yes, I am expecting a lot of Santa gifts from Kush on Friday's session also. Yes, of course, Thursday is a holiday, but thank you very much, Kush, for joining us and giving your views. But
Pleasure,
let's take a quick break. On the other side, we get you the top BTST picks.